Welcome to my channel. In this video we'll see how to connect boAt AirPods in Windows 11. So we'll go to settings, then Bluetooth and devices. Make sure the Bluetooth is on here. As you can see, I am using my boAt Airdopes while recording this video. For the new device to connect, click on add device. You can see under Bluetooth audio devices, my keyboards. We'll click on here and let the Bluetooth scan the available devices near us. Make sure that your earbuds are out of the safe. If you don't see your earbuds listed in this search, what you need to do is you first need to unpair your earbuds from your mobile. Unpair your earbuds from your mobile or other any other devices that you have connected, because both airports don't allow multiple connection at the same time. So until you have disconnected or unpaired your device from another device, it won't display here. Once you have done that, it will automatically display here and you can click on it to connect. And in this way you can connect your both airports in Windows 11.